House of vital concern for this federation. The President of Pakistan has been elected by all four provincial assemblies and National Assembly and Senate of Pakistan. In the Constitution framework, it is my duty to represent the federation. The most challenging circumstances when my wife Shaheed Mohtama Benazir Bhutto was assassinated. The mangroves of Sindh stand as a shining example of what can be achieved through conservative efforts. In this regard, improving our taxation system is with Beijing. We will further cement our all-weather strategic cooperation partnership with China. Ministries need to redefine their vision and objectives and understand that pressing issues faced by the people of Pakistan have to be resolved within a certain time frame. We need to deliver tangible benefits, restore trust of the people in democratic institutions. Democracy needs and give and take. And what better place to work of collective goals than this Parliament? As elected representatives, your function is role models for the nation. As you go about your parliamentary business, think beyond narrow goals. Think of the unity and consensus our country so desperately needs. I would urge all you to empower our people, make decisions of national importance with consensus, encourage domestic, international investment for economic growth and job creation, foster social economic justice and ensure fairness and transparency in our system. Chairman Senate, Mr. Speaker, for our country to prosper, it must build equitable. This is going to be a century of many new global changes, and to weather such transitions, we need to ensure that our people, with their different regions and resources, are on board of national development. It is my firm belief that a strong Pakistan is one where fruits of progress and development are equally shared by all its provinces and citizens. We should work actively to promote inclusive and uniform development, ensuring no province, no district, and no village is left behind. The House should ensure development is not limited to a few select areas, but reaches every nook and corner of the country. The ignored and neglected areas demand urgent attention from the federal government. We also need investments in infrastructure education, healthcare, and economic opportunities to address the sense of deprivation. Parliament is the one forum where any sense of deprivation cannot just be aired constructively but also addressed with political empathy. By the executive branch, that is the test of real statecraft. In this regard, improving our taxation system is essential to moving forward as a country. We must reform and expand our tax net, not overburdening those who already contribute, but by ensuring that every eligible taxpayer participates in nation building. Pakistan should also diversify its exports, focusing on value-added goods and services to expand new markets and build a competitive export-oriented economy. We need to make our IT industry a key driver of economic growth. We should focus on building digital and information highways, investing in IT parks, enhancing internet accessibility and speed, and supporting the growth of our technology-driven economy. Equally important is the sustained support of small and medium enterprises. We must ensure access to credit, address procedural bureaucratic hurdles, and create policies that promote youth-led businesses. Our young people should be encouraged to enter businesses good through SMEs-focused programs, skill development initiatives, and accessible loan schemes. In order to achieve these objectives, I would like to urge the House to play its role to increase the ease on doing business. Investors, small businesses, and international companies must find Pakistan an attractive potential of investment. Honorable members, today the common man, the laborers, and the salaried class are facing serious economic hardships. Our citizens are burdened by inflation, high prices of essential items, and rising energy costs. As we approach the next budget, I urge this Parliament and the government to provide real relief to the people. The government should take measures to forthcome budgets to increase salaries, pension, reduce income taxes on salaried class, lowers energy costs, which would help reduce financial burden on them. At the same time, we should avoid downsizing jobs cuts. Instead of our focus should be on creating jobs and utilizing trained manpower productively. Ladies and gentlemen, women constitute almost 50% of the country's population, but they are underrepresented in every aspect of life. It is essential to empower them for enhancing their representation in various sectors. The most important intervention we can make as government and parliament is to make women at the bottom of the social pyramid financially independent. in accordance with the vision of Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. The Benazir Income Support Program (BISP) remains a crucial lifeline of millions of families. Its reach must be expanded and cash transfers should be further enhanced. Young people make up a huge proportion of our current demographics. They need hope and inspiration. We should ensure the children are not outside schools in Pakistan. Promoting higher education, enhancing research in the universities should be a fundamental priority for creating a knowledge-based economy. I urge the federal and provincial governments to increase the allocation for education sector in the upcoming budget on micro level and to also provide more opportunities through scholarships and financial assistance programs. This is also the moment for us to reflect on how we can enhance access to quality health care all our citizens, reduce worrying incidents of malnutrition and polio vaccination in many children. Emphasis should be laid on primary health care. Respectable parliamentarians, I believe that domestic and regional conservative is a fundamental to prosperous Pakistan. We need a strong, efficient transport infrastructure, road networks and modernized railways. Gilgit-Baltistan and Balochistan require a special attention in terms of connectivity and development, as these regions are Pakistan's strategic frontier. They are vital to our national economy. This will not only lower poverty, but also stimulate the economy with the new job skills and markets. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, and Gwadar Port remain central to our vision of connectivity. These projects must fully realize so that Pakistan can serve as a gateway to international trade, linking Central Asia, South Asia, and Middle East. At this point, I would like to take this opportunity to urge the federal and provincial governments to strengthen agriculture sector, ensure sustainable water management, bring coordination and agencies to the urgent task of managing the growing threats of climate change. I say this because agriculture is a key pillar of our economy and it is imperative that we modernize this sector by adopting new farming techniques, developing better seeds, investing in agricultural research and development, creating more jobs by making land more productive. In order to improve our productivity, increase livestock yield and expand food exports, our farmers must